Hey y'all, I'm doing a 10-minute makeup challenge today. Hopefully it's not too noisy in the background, but I'm excited because I am extremely slow at doing makeup. Like on a day-to-day, 30 to 45 minutes to do a full beat. So this is gonna be fun to see what I can come up with in 10 minutes. Hope you guys enjoy this 10-minute makeup challenge. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me start the timer. Okay. All right. Cool. So we started. Got 9 minutes on the clock. All right. So I'm gonna moisturize really quick. It's a vitamin E. All right. If you're wondering why I got this little scratch on my forehead, I sleep so rough. Like you would not believe it. For real, you wouldn't. I'm gonna prime with this Benefit primer, poreless primer. I was gonna slap that all on there. Nine minutes, 13 seconds. Okay. Eyebrows. I use eyeshadow for my eyebrows. I like that. It's way more natural looking, not as oily. I'm just gonna take this IT Cosmetics brush and go right in there. This is the part that sabotages me the most, is eyebrows, like every single time. Okay. Looks just about okay. We're at 8 minutes. Oh God, hurry up. I just have so much anxiety doing this right now. It's ridiculous. Okay. All right, I'm just gonna conceal it and clean it up. Okay, 7 minutes. All right, cool. Taking serum. Oh no, I dropped my lashes. 7 minutes, 20 seconds on the clock. I'm taking this e.l.f. concealer in the color Medium Sand by e.l.f. It's the Hydrating Camo Concealer. Oh, where's my concealer brush? Here it is. Okay. 6 minutes. Ooh, getting close. My heart is beating so fast. Before I blend it out, I'm going to take my foundation brush and apply my foundation. I'm using NARS. Ooh, I lied. I am using L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in the color Toasted Almond. Okay, here we go. Oh, 5 minutes. Ah, I got makeup on my carpet. Okay. That's not enough. 4 minutes, 30 seconds. Okay, we can do this. Now to blend out this concealer. Don't panic. I'm gonna conceal under the eyes. Cover up those scratches down the nose, on the lips, chin. Okay. Oh my God, my stomach is growling. It's taking way too long. Oh. This has actually been a complete nightmare of my dad. Every time I film a video, my friend comes to my room and interrupts. I am filming this on my phone, not my professional camera, so I'm pretty happy with the results. Flawless. Flawless. So now I just need to put on some mascara. Set. This lip liner is by IL Makiage, Carly Bible, in the shade Luna. So that's just about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this 10-minute makeup challenge. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.